This building here is the Mitre, which is one from our classic range of buildings. As you can see, it's got quite a unique shape, the triangular shape, which fits quite snugly into the corner of the garden, and you get those lines of geometry which really produce quite a nice shaped building, which has quite a panoramic view once you're inside of the garden without the building itself being too obtrusive, if you like. So we can explore some of the features of this particular building. So on this particular building we have Millboard cladding in the salt blue colour. And this is because the actual location of this is just a few metres from the seafront in Feltham. The whole theme is the seaside. You've got the anthracite grey trims, you've got the bifold aluminium doors, aluminium again being chosen for durability. A big focus on making sure that the products used on this particular building are corrosion resistant. So when we come to the flashings, particular attention was taken making sure that the ends of the flashings were coated with an anti-corrosion treatment. Moving inside here, we have a plastered finish with the spotlights, and then we've got the LVT flooring on the floor here, which is a luxury vinyl tile for durability in the timeless oak colours. And obviously this particular client has chosen the theme, again that blue colour. Either side here you've got the aluminium windows. When you sit here, you've got quite a nice view of the whole garden, which gives quite a nice finish. So this is the Mitre, crafted for life by Ambassador.